New coins popping up every day, exchanges with interfaces that look like they were coded in the 90s, and fees that could make your bank account cry. It's enough to make anyone throw their hands up in frustration. But what if I told you there was a way to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular cryptos without the headache? A platform that's easy to use, transparent about fees, and built with Canadians in mind? That, my friends, is where Newton comes in. So, what exactly is a Newton account? Glad you asked. Newton is a Canadian cryptocurrency trading platform designed to make buying and selling crypto as simple and affordable as possible. Think of it like your one-stop shop for all things crypto. You can use Newton to buy crypto with Canadian dollars, CAD, no need to jump through hoops or find a shady peer-to-peer exchange. Newton lets you use Interac e-transfer or wire transfer to easily add CAD to your account and start buying crypto. Sell your crypto for CAD, cashing out your crypto holdings is just as straightforward. Sell your coins for CAD and withdraw the funds directly to your bank account. Trade between different cryptocurrencies. Want to swap your Bitcoin for some Ethereum? No problem. Newton allows you to trade between a wide range of popular cryptocurrencies, all within the same platform. But wait, there's more. Here are some of the things that make Newton stand out from the crowd. Low fees. Newton boasts some of the most competitive fees in the Canadian crypto trading space. They keep things transparent, so you know exactly what you're paying up front before you make a trade. User-friendly platform. Forget about interfaces that look like they were designed by a team of monkeys with keyboards. Newton's platform is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, even if you're a complete crypto newbie. Focus on security. Newton takes security seriously. They use industry-standard security measures to keep your crypto safe and sound. Okay, Newton sounds great, but is it right for me? That depends. If you're a Canadian resident looking for a safe, easy, and affordable way to buy and sell crypto, then Newton is definitely worth checking out. They offer a good selection of popular cryptocurrencies, competitive fees, and a user-friendly platform. Plus, with their focus on security, you can rest assured that your crypto is in good hands. Here are some things to keep in mind. Cryptocurrency is a volatile asset class. The value of your crypto holdings can go up or down dramatically. Newton is not a financial advisor. Do your own research before making any investment decisions. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Is Newton too good to be true? Not necessarily. Newton is a legitimate Canadian company with a strong track record. However, like any platform, it's not without its limitations. For example, they don't offer advanced trading features that some experienced crypto traders might be looking for. Additionally, their selection of cryptocurrencies, while good, might not be as extensive as some other exchanges. The bottom line: Newton is a solid option for Canadians who want a simple and affordable way to buy and sell crypto. They offer competitive fees, a user-friendly platform, and a focus on security. However, it's important to do your own research and understand the risks involved before investing in any cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.